This video will demonstrate how to install a two-handle Centerset onto a display pod. The only tool you're really going to need is a set of pliers here and the wing nuts that'll be included in the box for the Centerset faucet. Step one, we're going to take the deck gasket. We're going to place it onto the display pod. We're going to take the faucet, set it on top. Keep in mind, on the deck gasket, there's the word top front, so you know which way exactly to set the deck gasket onto the pod. Faucet then goes on top, fits nicely. Take your wing nuts, and you're just going to thread these wing nuts right onto the inlet shanks for the faucet. We're going to show you why you need the pliers here in just a moment. The pliers will be used for the lift rod. So once we get that on there pretty securely, make sure the faucet is straight, just like so. Then for your lift rod, that fits down into the hole. You're going to notice the lift rod will stick out. You can take your pliers. In some cases, some people use their hand. In this case, we'll just use the pliers. Kind of just give it a little bit of a bend, and be careful when doing this. You may want to use gloves. All right, so once the lift rod is bent, then you can go ahead and mount your faucet onto the wall.